guys, Billy Joe here for HO Scale Railroad, and I got this model done, so I wanted you guys to see it. And I have another model. So if you'd like to go ahead and subscribe and like all this, please do. So if you want to go down to hoscalerailroad.net, I wrote a big article on model building that you'd probably love to read. And I have several articles on there. Plus, you can shop and you can watch all of my videos on there also. So go to HO Scale Railroad and check it out. So let me turn this around and show you. There she is. That is the gas station. And remember, it's from Germany, so that's why the branding looks a little weird. And also, I have, hang on, let me turn this back around. I have a new model for the layout, and that's kind of for my little town here. I got to build that, so I'll keep you posted on that one. But go ahead and go to hoscalerailroad.net and check it out. I think you like it. See you next time. Bye-bye.